we are going back to Delhi today. We have to catch a bus in 2 hours. So we are following this stream up here, and this was the closest stream to our hotel, so we're going to check it out and then we'll head to Delhi. That's really sad, but it has to happen. I think we're going to stop here. I am standing on top of this rock, and this stream is really, really, really beautiful. I want to go there. Let's see if I can go there. Whoa, I'm here. The water is really crazy. So I'm not going to go any further than this. I really like that tree that is fallen. It's sad, but it looks really cool.
मेरी हाइट ही झुकी हुई है भाई।
I guess this is not the end of this vlog. We just got the news that there has been some landslide in the route that we are going to take for Delhi, and we are going back to the hotel, and I think we'll discuss maybe staying for another day until the landslide gets cleared. So I don't know, I'll update to you. We have decided that we are going to stay today and let the highway authority clean out the landslide so we don't get stuck, and we're going to leave in the morning. So right now we're going into this jungle and let's see what's inside. Come with me. We're gonna go down from here and try to get inside water just for a little bit. We are in the water finally.
ले यार ले फोटो ले ले आया ना फोटो ले गयो पहली बार ऐसा घुसा ना
ज़्यादा वाला था. We had so much fun and now we are going back. The water was really great. I wish I could swim a little bit, but it's not possible right now because it rained really heavy last night, as you know, because of the landslide. No, the landslide was because of the rain.
Guess who didn't sleep last night? Us. Yeah, so we didn't sleep, we partied really hard, and now we are outside. It's 5:30 a.m. in the morning and we are here for a morning walk, and we're gonna go and pick up some rocks because we found some really cool rocks yesterday. So we're gonna go and maybe find some food on our way back. Let's see. It's really beautiful right now. No one's around. We have this whole jungle trail to ourselves and it's just really peaceful. We're gonna go and get some rocks. Actually, the rocks are everywhere, but we have to find the best among the best. The water is so clean today. Yesterday it was full of mud and debris, but it's so clear now. I'll try to put my GoPro underwater this time and see if I can get some really cool footages. The water is so clear right now, but it's gonna be really cold. But guess what? I'm still gonna go. Check out this really beautiful piece of rock. It's one solid piece, but you can find small broken fragments of these really
cool blue shining rocks. We found so many great rocks. Saurav is still looking for them, but check these boys out. Check out these rocks that we picked up. Yeah, these are really heavy, and we just have one bag, and it's probably around 15 kgs now. Yeah, it probably, I know it doesn't look like much, but this is really heavy to pick up. So we're gonna try to sort these out and maybe throw some of these, but I don't really want to. Let's see.